Hello, welcome back once again. Today is another day, and today we are going to add receipt to our school database management system. This tutorial is as a response to a request someone made, and that was please add receipt printing to it. How can we generate report for of those owing fees and save as PDF? That's what we are going to do, and I'm going to also add a receipt printing option for anytime a student make a payment, can print it for the student, or if you want to print all the fees that a specific student has paid, you can do so. So that's what we are going to look at it today. For those owing fees, we already have the payment debt query here, the payment debt query, and that's what we are going to use as a row source for our report. You go to create, then you come to let's use the report design so that you get upper hand on how we want it to look like. Let me expand it a bit. Then we come to data, so the row source, you select payment debt query, come to add existing fields. So here you add first name, last name, class, sum of bill amount, sum amount paid, balance. As for the term, okay, let's add the term. Yes, now we'll select or right click and select the layout. Let's make it tabular. Come to arrange, then the margins, let's make it medium. Come to format, make it 12, then the color, make it black. Right click, go to size, auto fit. Yes, now let's bring it here. So the first name, let's increase it a bit. The last one, select right click, go to size, then make it wider so that we want the first name and the last name to be the same. The class, let's increase the class a bit. Sum of bill amount, sum of amount, balance, so the balance and sum of amount should be the same, widest. Then come to term, the bill term, that one too, the bill term, let me, okay, so here let's bring this one down, and this one too go up. Let's view and see. This is how it is. Yes, this is how it is. Now let's add a label so that, let me double click here, come to format, the top, let's make it, let's say 3. Yes, so that we have enough space up here to add our label. So here you can add the name of the school information, the details, and other things. So here will be list of debtors. Depending on how you want to name it, you can name it to how you want it. The size, to you select your preferred size. Right click, go to size, then fit. Good. Yeah, let's make it bold, and you will save it as Ctrl S to make it debt report. Debt report. All right, now let's see. Okay, so by looking at it, you can see that the term is hidden. You have to adjust it a bit, and the heading, the titles to, or the headings to, have to work on it. Close this one. So here, instead of sum, we make it bill amount. Here to the sum, let's make it bill amount, amount paid. So the bill space amount, here the amount space paid. Let's reduce the size a bit. Right click, narrowest. Okay, so here too, let's make it term. First name, last name. Now let's see. All right, the term, let's close it and adjust it. The term is too long. Now let's see. Let's made some adjustment. Yeah. Okay, now let's see. All right, now I think it's okay. Let's close it. Let's close it. All right, so now we'll come to the payment debt history. Right click, come to design view. Here is where we are going to add a button. Like looking at our subsequent videos, the color, we chose a specific color, so let me change this one to that color so that it will be uniform. This is the color we've been using. Then change the font color. That's going to be white. Yes. So now we are going to add a button here that will help us to print all the receipt, the payment, the report. Yes. So here is going to be print or then say print report. Oh no, this one we are saving it as PDF, so it will be export as PDF. Okay, then we come to the other BTN export. Right now, let me make some changes here. This one is going to be white. This one is going to be black. So all right, now come to event, on click, go to the three dots. Here is the code. It's going to be do cmd dot open report, and the report name is what, debt underscore report. Then how do you want to view it? This one is going to be AC view preview. Like you have to get how it looks like before you print. All right, so now let's close this one. Let's save it and close it, and let's see. So you close this one, go to main form, come to payment, then you come to payment debt history. All right, so now when we click on this one, you see now here comes the list of debtors, the exit income, the list of what, debtors. So you just go to print, and it's saying the name Microsoft print to PDF. Just select that one, you go to OK. The moment you click on OK, it will save to your PC. All right, so this is the first one. We are now going to add a report on any payment a student make. So let's close this one. Let me expand this, and I'll expand this. What we are going to use is the payment query. Payment query. All right. So here you will create a report. We'll create a report. Go to create, then come to report design. So here the data, we just select payment query, then come to add existing fields. Here I'm going to, instead of the first name last name, I'm going to combine the two. So here I'll right click here, come to design view. So I'll go to the latter part here and just add full name. Let me zoom it so that it will be bigger enough for you to see. So it's going to be full name colon first name, then that one double quote space double quote and last name. Now let me go to OK, close it. Yes, I want to save it. So now you can see that the full name is now here. So this one is going to be, let me add it here, and let me lay out to be stacked. Let me format it so that it will be nicer. 12 black, then fit, so let me stretch this one. Okay, then the full name, the class should come let me lay out. So when it comes here, it's so I'll okay. Then the class come to, let me add a term. Then the class term, I have to add other items like the payment date, the time, and the rest. So let's go back to our payment query. So inside the payment, let's add payment date, payment type, time, and payment type. Okay, so close it. Yes. So here the payment date will come, payment time will be here. I think the date and time should come. Time should be here, payment date should be here, and the time should be here. Yes. Then come to payment type. That one too will be here. So here right click fit, so that yes. Now let's wait and see. Class term type payment. All right. Now let's select the payment type, select the remaining place, right click, come to layout, make it, no, not layout, merge or split, make it merge, so that will be one. Now let's see. Good. Now you can see that it is now clearer. So here we come to sum of bill amount. No, that one is not necessary. So this one is amount paid, should be here. Amount paid should be here. and the balance should be here. Okay, so this one, let me copy the formatting here using the format printer. Yes, so here is going to be term. Here is going to be payment type, payment date, sum of amount paid, balance. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, so I think it's okay. This one, you can arrange it, you can organize it the way you want it to be, but for now this is what you maintain when you get your time, free time. Then bring it down here. All right, so now let's see. Okay, now let's save it and save it as payday reports. Okay, then let's add a label here. Official receipt. Now let's format it. Here should be 12, 24, black and bold. Right click, let's make it size fit. Yes, so now just take it like this. So let's save it, close it. We are going to create another one too. That one is going to take care of all the fees students have paid. So this one is going to be, we are going to create another query by looking at the payment debt query. Where is it? This one. We are going to use that one to show, to create, like make it payment history. Yes, we are going to make it payment history that will show all or how students made payment. So we go to create, then we come to query design, or let's close this one. We don't have to create another one. You just make a copy of the payment debt history, Control C, Control V, then we make it payment history. Click on OK. Then payment, you right click on payment history, go to the design view. So we do away with this one. Do away with it. Then you just save it. Now let's see if it has the payment date. There's no payment date, so we go to design view. We add the payment date. Payment time and payment type. All right. Let me close it. Now go to create report design. So report design, come to data, select record source to be payment history. Then we come to add existing fields. This one to, let me add the full name. So the full name is going to be just like we did in the previous query. Let's go to Zoom. The full name colon, first name, double quote space, double quote, last name. Okay, run it. Yes, you can see that it is showing here, so let's close it. Yes, and here we add the full name here. Let me bring the, we have bill amount, amount paid, no payment date, payment time, payment type, amount paid, then balance. Then we add the last one, term. All right, so this one we are going to make it the layout. We are going to make the layout tabular. All right, now we come to arrange, medium, format, the size, make it 12, black. So right click, go to size, fit, then bring it. So here is going to be payment date, payment time, payment type, then here sum of amount paid, that's amount paid, balance, and term. All right, so here the term, let me expand it a bit, and the payment type, let me expand it to this one. Let me make it format, the top, let's make it, let's say 5, right? And I'm going to add other details here. So the full name should come, right, layout, let's make it stacked, format, this one, let's make it 14, black, bold, since there will be a heading, let's make this one 12 so that it will be so let's expand, Ctrl Z to undo. Now we come to the class, add a class, add a class, this one, let's you to make it stacked, okay. What again? The first name class, yeah, it's okay. Let's maintain these two. Now here, let's bring this one down, then let's add a label here. So the label will make it, call it all payment. And the size, let's make it 24. Right click, size, fit. Then, all right. So now here, let's bring it up. Let's do away with this one. All right. Now let's see. Right now it's like the size of payment type is too huge. Let's reduce it. Close this one. The payment date and the time is too small. Size, let's go to widest. So here to let me reduce the size. Okay, and let's see. So let's reduce the size of the, before then let me select everything here. Format, arrange left and right. Now let's see. Okay, so the balance, we have to work on it. The balance, let's close this one. Payment type, let's reduce it a bit. The balance, let's see. Okay, now I think everything is what is okay. Everything is okay. Let's close it. Let's close this one. This one is going to be underscore report. Okay, so now that we are done, let's go to the payment subform. Go to design view. This one, let me change the color. Format, the color should be this. Then here too will be white. I'm going to add a button here. So go to form design, click on this one and draw the button. Cancel. This one, let's close this one. I'm going to draw it again because I want to use the default picture. This one is going to be report operation, open report next. This one is going to be payday report next. I want to use this picture. Go to finish, but here we are not going to use this one. Is a macro. We don't want that one. I just wanted the picture. I can get the picture here. Like when you come to picture, you click on it, then it's saying the picture selected one is the address book picture. So now you don't want it to use VBA to get the receipt or the report. Now select this one. You come to event. Here you can see that we have embedded macro. Click on the drop down and select event procedure. Click on the three dots and here we are. So this one is going to be do cmd dot open report. Why is the report name payday underscore report? Then that one, the view type is going to be view preview. Then we have to add a condition to it. Since this one, we will print all payments by a specific student, we have to add a condition to it. So here, where student ID made of student ID, as simple as that. Just close it. Yes, you save it. Now let's go to payment. Okay, add payment. Select that one. Go to design view. Here to let's change the color. This one should be white. Format. And here should be, yes, let's change it so that all the colors will be uniform. Now when we come here, let's change the colors. Come to outline, select yes, so that it will be the same color. Now let's add a button. Select this one, add a button here. Cancel. Here we are going to give it a caption. Print all or export. Let me use the print all receipts, then btn print all. Right now let me expand this one a bit. Select this one, come to format, select the format printer so that to be same, align top, then the size is going to be tallest. All right, now we are going to add the code. Come to event, double click on click here, then this one is going to be do cmd. This one just like the previous one, the same code. Do cmd open report, then what is the name of the report? Let's check the name. All reports. So the name is all reports, all underscore report. Then this one, the view should be AC, view as preview. So the condition where student ID is equal to main.student ID. Simple. Just save it. But let's check for error. Or D. Press enter. No error. You save it. You close this one. Then you close this one. Now it is time for us to check our codes if they are all working. Let me collapse this one. Go open the main form. The main form, let me change the colors. This one should be format, and here should be white. This one should be let me close it and save it. Yes. Now main form. So we come to payment. So the payment, let's search for student, press enter. Yes, so now you can see that this student have made on 2 occasions has this payment, this student made a payment. So the first one, when you just click on this one, click on it. Yes, this one is showing all the receipt. This is not what we want. Now let's print all 2 and see. Alright, as for this one is showing exactly what we want, but the second one, this one is not showing it. We want it to show based on the payment ID. Yes, because we use the student ID. Looking at it, the student ID for the first payment, the same ID. Since they are the same, that's why it is showing us all the payment, but we want it to show the specific payment. Okay, so let's close this one and go to payment subform, design view. Then we right click, come to build event. So here, instead of us to use the student ID, we have to use the payment ID. So we are going to change this side. So where payment ID is equal to main.payment ID. That is it. So let's close this one. Close this one. Yes. So now let's open it again. And go to payment. No, payment. So the payment debt. The payment debt, when we click on it, it will show all the debts. So this one, just go to print like if already done. Now we come to add payment. So the add payment, you just search for the student. Then here, like let's say the first payment the student paid, we want to print a receipt. Just click on this one. Say payment ID. The payment ID, it is asking for the payment ID parameter, asking us to enter the payment ID parameter because we did not add payment ID to our query. That's why. So we'll cancel it, end it. Let's close this one. Then we go to our query. Let's see the payday report. Looking at this one, let's go to add existing fields. See, we don't have payment ID here, so we have to go and add payment ID to our. Let's go to property and look payment query. Yes, so let's close this one. Then we add payment ID to the payment query. Design view. So here it's going to be payment ID. Let's add it here and we close it. So now let's reopen the main form again. Come to payment, add payment. Let's see. So here let's try to open. Now it has come. So there is a name, the class, payment date, time, term, payment type, amount paid, and the balance. So when we close this one, come back. Now when we open the second one to this one, the amount paid and the balance. So this is it. Now if you want to print all the payment for that for this student, just click on print all and it will show us all the payments this student has made. You just go to print. This one, if you have a printer, I can print it straightforward. But if you don't have a printer, you save it as what? PDF. When you click on OK, it will ask you to select the location which you want to save. Just give it a name. You choose your location. Click on what? Save to save it. So that is it. So this brings us to the end of today's tutorial. Please, if you find this tutorial helpful, kindly like, share, subscribe, and watch more videos. For me. I'll end here. But if I end here, doesn't mean the end of the tutorial. It means there are more videos coming. So as I end here, I'm going to get another tutorial prepared and bring it to you. Please, if you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Until we meet again, take care and bye bye.